Why, so look at the green chilies. Koto moishna I raja murcha asna dodo. Who raja murcha chutu wala la. Oi. Oi. Edo mola sweet sister. Oi, man bishi ulai na se. Sweet sister la mini garden. Nagaland se. Why, so man dangor lemon. Ay sa kanye, my goodness. Ito man dangor se gua. Look at the lemon, guys. Why, so ये मेरा sweet सा sister का garden है. बिशी है. Wow. Hey. Look here. Ila. Why, so itu daro dangor la so. Eh, so kanye here. Ayo kumsu dami ngono eh. Yes, I know. It's like ma. Ay, lemon man dangor. Ay, sabi de. Eh, mati de sabi. Ow. Ah, mudo lemon iba holven. My goodness, itu kichingilo. Wow, look at this. Man dangor. Koi. Ite rakhi de. Oh, is watermelon to sabine. Look at the watermelon. The lemon lagas. Look, guys, pineapple lagas space. Oh my God. Ulai de uli do saldo no laoshe. These are the banana tree, papaya, mango. Sidwe over balde. Udo upper wala de bishi ese na. Look at this, guys. Over balde. Sabi do edibi lemon lagas man bota. Aro sabine look at the lemon. Man visualize. Itu the lady finger la gas se tatibi se beans la gas. Guys, it's just a mini vlog, okay? And itu fruit la gas is there, but fruits kotomushi. Guys, niche de pomegranate la gas piece. Let me show you. Way. Look at this. Wow. Mamba, man bishi ulai se. Oh, look at this, guys. Man bishi. Ay, tatibi ese ko ay. Idibi ese. I don't know whether you can see or not. Look at that. Guys, it's so refreshing and fruit का garden है ना, so बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये इतनी भी उला ऐसे तो way lady finger and itu the beans say beans. My throat. Oh yeah, lemon la. The lemon do overboard. Look at that. Mati sob green asigwa, seriously. Ay man balde. Lemon do overboard. As the so ye sister ka garden hai. This is how it is looking, and there are so many lemon in this garden. It's very sunny. So guys, ये देखो मेरा sweet sister का garden से मैंने लेमन तोड़ के लेके आया। इतना बड़ा बड़ा है देखो गाइस। So guys, that's all. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.